In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a job for free on Dubizzle. First, open the Dubizzle app on your phone or head to the Dubizzle website in your browser. On the home screen, look for the Post an Ad button and tap or click it. When the category list appears, select Jobs. This tells the platform you're creating a job vacancy rather than selling an item or posting a service. Next, you'll be asked about the job type. Choose the option that says, I am an employer or recruiter, so your post is set up correctly. Then pick the most accurate job category. You'll see common options like sales, IT, admin, and others. Choose the category candidates would most likely search in, because matching the right category helps your ad show up for the right people. Now, it's time to fill in the job details. Enter a clear job title that matches the role, such as sales executive or junior software developer. Add your company name and the location of the job, including the city or area, to help candidates understand commute and availability. Depending on the form, the salary field may be optional or required. If it's optional, consider including at least a range to improve responses. In the job description, describe what the role is responsible for, who the person will report to, and any key tools or software they'll use. Keep it concise but informative so applicants know exactly what to expect. You'll also see fields to add requirements. List the essential qualifications, the experience needed, and the work type, whether it's full-time or part-time. Be specific about must-haves versus nice-to-haves so you attract qualified candidates without discouraging strong applicants. Before you move past the payment section, look carefully for a free job post option if it's available. Some accounts or categories show one free ad or a limited number of free posts. You might see a label, a toggle, or a message indicating your free posting balance. If you see it, make sure it's selected so the total due shows as 0. If it doesn't appear, that category or account may not qualify for a free post at the moment. Finally, review everything. Double-check the title, category, location, description, requirements, and salary fields for accuracy and clear language. When you're happy with it, click Post or Publish. Your listing will go live, or it may pass through a brief moderation process. That's it. By choosing the right category, writing a clear description, and selecting any available free job post option, you can publish your vacancy on Dubizzle without paying a fee.